Morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back into this class. Today, we are on the
Sir, we
day.
can't see this.
You can see my screen, right?
We can't see.
Okay. Let me come on the hotspot. Give me a minute. Sorry, but I was not expecting that to get this problem. Can you all confirm now? Are you able to see my screen?
No.
Now,
No, sir.
still no for everybody.
No.
Oops, it's now you're able to see. Wait. Now you're able to see definitely. Can you confirm now? It's our internet connection. Okay. Then who will take the responsibility today for sharing the screen? Any volunteer here who can share the screen? Are you guys able to hear me or not? Oops.
Okay, I will try.
Savita, please. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, good. Go to log into my instance.
Sorry, I'm in another
You're doing
account.
dual
Just
screen. And I know MacBook is so complicated to be handled sometime. So in the meantime, Savita is logging into the instance. Yesterday we started a topic called the order guide. That if you want a continuous or more than one item to be raised for a single person, then we use the order guide. That we see that yes, we are raising only one request and we're getting multiple RATMs in that. But now the question comes how that has been configured in the background. That is the important point. So order guide mainly work on the rule-based configuration. Okay. Savita, I guess you're sharing your one screen, not the full screen, because I can just see the desktop, nothing else.
okay. I will try again.
That is what I said, that sometimes MacBook is so complicated.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Just give a try.
Let me share my screen.
Anybody can share, no problem.
Okay, I will stop sharing now.
Yes. And I think this problem give me an idea as well that in the batch, I must have 2 or 3 days like that only, where I can give a live demo with others' experience or other hands.
Yeah, I can see someone sharing.
Good. Go ahead, Santosh. Go to the native view. Not in the close this window. Close all these windows. Just keep open the native view. Okay. And now go to the application navigator and type order guide. No. Hey, not this one. This is if you come here, it click on the workflow studio. It will just show the workflow studio page, nothing else. Log in now. Sorry. Go to the all, click on the all and search for the order guide. Order guide, not auto order. No, Santosh, order guide. Yes, space guide. Yes. Now click on the order guide. Second one, yes. Good. Open the new hire. Correct. Now, as I say that order guide means that when you want multiple items must be raised for a single user in a one go. So if you scroll down and go to the variable section, complete scroll down. Wait. Now you can see the 7 variables, right? Santosh, in the panel, open the service portal as well in the other window and open the order guide. Service portal dev/sp wala. Slash. Hmm? No. /sp because I want to show you on the service portal as well. Yep. And here search for the new hire. Yes. And open that. Yeah, first one, correct. Scroll down. Yeah. Now you can see these questions here. The thing is that there are two things in this area. Number one is a field. Number two is a variable. When I refer to the field, it means that exists in the table itself. When I say about the variable, so that variable is a temporary. I'm sure that if in your BTech on the day 1 or day 2, we have a concept called variable and the constant. Constant is something which never gets changed and variable something which gets changed. So these are the variables which hold a value only for a particular record. So if might be Santosh is joining, he has some other values. Savita is joining, she has some other values. So if you see that there are Atul, but there are 5. If you go back to the native view, open that or go to the new hire only, auto guide. Yes, here you can see it's a 7. Why 7? Because in the portal, few variables are depend on the other variables. So it means we can create a temporary question to ask the inputs or to get the inputs from the customer. Let's say if you go to a restaurant and you order something, so what the waiter says, okay sir, do you want some spicy, authentic, more gravy, light gravy, do you want this particular spices or not? But if you buy, if you ask that, hey, can you give me the ice cream, then the question will be different. Then the question will be, sir, which flavor you want? You want the scoop or the cup? How many scoops you want? So variables get changed from item to item, and it is completely based on the user case or user need, that what he want to be know from the user. So like you ask me the question when you join this training, you ask me the question, what is the duration, how much the fees, daily class will be there, recording will be there. So I know that these are my variables. Few people ask only one question, two questions, few people are more question as well. So these variables are the critical here. Click on the new in the variable section. Like we have a field, same way we have a variables. So we can create any variables in our catalog item, but it depend that what type of variable we need it. More variables create more confusion for the user. Now, in the type, click on the drop down. Third field in the type, third field on the top, variable application type. Yes. So now you can see that a variable can be these many type, multiple line, right? If I say what is your qualification? Qualification will be in the checkbox. Graduate, postgraduate, doctorate, diploma. But if I ask you gender, gender is only radio button, either male, either female. So based on your need, you can create the variables. Now, sometime I want to use variables like choices, which is already exist. Like, what is the priority of this incident for you? P1, P2, P3, P4 kind of things. Those value already exist in the service now. So we can use the reference as well. So reference is that now in this case, who is the hiring manager? That person must be exist in your system. So that is a reference type. Okay. So now what you have to do today, create one catalog item of anything and try to be add 5 to 8 different type of variables. Numerical scale 1 to 7, multiple choices, multi-line text, reference, requested for, rich text label. Rich text means a big box, single line text, date and time, date. You want to know the date of birth, year of joining, all these things will be there. So you can or we can use or create the variables. That's the one thing. Now go back to the previous screen only. Scroll down. So now when I was building my this thing, my guide or new hire guide, order guide, I have these variables. And based on these variables, I have a rule based. Click on the third tab, rule based. What is the rule based means? That on which condition I will show you this thing. See, if you are joining as a developer, so you will get MacBook. But if you are joining as a sales guy, then you will get the MacBook plus phone. If you are joining as a developer plus you are a remote employee, then you will get a external monitor and the setup as well. But if you click on the number 100 for the first one, 100, number 100, click on the number 100. Why? Because see, the first field in any of the list view will open that record. So now can you are you able to see the screen in the sorry, are you able to see the condition that standard package is no and laptop type is sales. Now go back to the portal. Go back to the portal. Standard package is no. Where is the standard package? And laptop type is standard. करो, fill करो, do everything. Put it. Will employee need anything non-standard? Say yes. Santosh, go to the last one. Just fill the last variable. Say yes. Wait. Now you can see that Atul, it was not showing to me how it come. This concept is called the UI policy, which we will cover in the scripting part. Okay, now developer, go back to your screen now, native view. It says standard package is no and laptop type is sale. It's a or condition, not an and condition. So if this condition fulfill, then you can see the include this item. It means standard laptop is already available. Go to the portal again and duplicate this tab. Santosh, duplicate this tab.
It means
Click, go to the on the browser and click on the right click, duplicate. No, no, don't close this thing. This no, open a new window. Okay, do this thing by this way. And now search for the standard laptop. What we're seeing here, that standard laptop itself exists. So if I am not a new joiner, but I am changing my what I can say, my department, and in the new department, new laptop need to be issued. So I can raise this thing. It means in the order guide, the items which you're able to see are already exist and used as an individual item as well. Go back to the native view. So if you click on this include this item, this is what this means. Now go back in the rule based. Scroll down. Now open 200 number 200. See, it have only one condition. If laptop type is a developer, only then this will be shown. So now the point is that it is not you and me it deciding. It is business need to be decide that what they want at what condition. And that thing we put in our rule based logic. It means in the rule based we just show or we just configure the conditions, and on the base of the condition we call some other item and that item will be present. One more thing, it is not different that if I'm might be a question that if I'm raising a order guide and I'm getting a standard laptop, and if I'm raising a standalone standard laptop request, will the workflow will be different? No, flow will be different. Nothing will be changed. Nothing. It will be same. So either you're making a biryani for the birthday, either you're making a biryani for anniversary celebration, either you're making a biryani just for the get together. The conditions can be changed. The quantity can be changed. But biryani will be biryani only. The preparation thing will be always same. So rule based is important key in the order guide. Clear everybody till this point? Doubt, question or clarification? Savita, Tulsi, Preeti, Renuka, Neha. Everybody clear? Santosh, clear to you?
yeah. So our catalog items needs to be ready over there. Then and then only we can select.
Yes.
And will fulfill.
So first we create a catalog item and then we include that catalog item in our order guide. So try to be create order guide might be create might be you can take example of the menu hotel menu. If some guest came to you that what type of question you want, how many people you are, how many kids in that, because this is also important for the seat allocation. This is important. How many old age are there? How many youngs are there? Do you want drinks as well? So if old age prefer to go in the first floor, if kids still go on the ground floor, if you have drinks, then you have to open pub, then people can go upstairs as well. So multiple conditions, and then you can show them the request item or the catalog item. But only thing which is important that in this order guide and in the rule based, one rule applicable for one catalog item at a given point of time. So you cannot add multiple items here in this section. You can add only maximum one item with the one condition. If you want, you can change the condition and you can include this item again. That's fine. Now just go back on the screen only. Now, if a new joiner is joining, which is important that he or she will get always an email. Click on the number 300. So in this area, there's a no condition, which means that once a user is logging a order guide, he or she will get this item without any condition. So this is also, we can do that. I want that anybody who come to my restaurant must get the bill. Must get the bill. Or let's say if anybody come to my hotel or restaurant, must get the water head. And for that, there's no condition required. Either he order, does not order, that doesn't matter. If anybody coming, then water will be served. Now, if you go back again the screen, in the same screen, go back. Next to variable, there is another concept. Variable set. Okay, second tab. Yes. What is variable set? Now, if I tell you, anybody in this group have a newborn baby, might be up to age of 3 or 4 maximum. I have, but anybody else? Okay, not latestly, but if when you have a baby of 2 or 3 or 4 year old and you need to be travel somewhere, what was important that time? Or what do you carry most? You have, but diaper is an item. Diaper is a variable.
Baby food.
Baby food is a variable. We keep diapers, small medicines, extra pair of clothes, towel, or a little bit like a food in one of the place that is called the baby bag. You're going anywhere, either you're going for a long trip, either you're going just for a market for the shopping. Ladies carry that baby bag always. And that bag has a set of items that is fixed. Like it's more than 9 years for me now. When I became a father first time. So my wife says, hey, this is baby bag. Don't touch or don't remove anything without my permission. Because she know that this bag should be always handy. And that bag contains minimum 5 diapers, extra pair of clothes, few selected medicines, kind of a biscuits or something, just for the sake that okay, if we need it, these things we always keep in that bag. Now that concept is called the variable set. Because as I said that either you go for a small shopping in the local market or either you're going for a long trip with family, then you always carry that bag. So variable set says that, hey, you can call different variables and keep it in a bundle and you can use that bundle everywhere. So now I have a younger one. He's just 8 months. So we are remembering those things that yes, we have to be prepared a baby bag now. Definitely now the things are very fancy as well. But again, the same concept is coming in our mind. That we'll prepare a baby bag which contain comb, nail cutter kind of things, or diapers, extra pair of clothes, towel, little medicines, and other things will be there. So we use or we create variable set when you want to be optimize your request management. Definitely, I can say yes. Diapers can be separate, medicines can be separate, clothes can be separate. But why we club it together? To optimize the process. In case if any emergency came, I have to be run rush immediately. I should not get all the things from the cupboards or the wardrobes. I know that okay, pick up this bag. It has a minimum things to be done. So we use the variable set when we want that these variables will be used across multiple catalog items. Now click on the new. There are two type of variable sets. Now the question come. I asked Savita, Savita, can you give me the details of everybody in this batch? Their name, their date of birth, their address, their education, and their last qualification. Now, Savita has a multiple options. Number one, Savita send email to everybody and everybody will send reply to Savita. Traditional approach, good approach, but problem is that she need to be consolidate everybody's data again by seeing in the email. Number one approach. Number two approach. She create a table in the email with the proper thing, name, date of birth, age, and all the things filled, and send that email to everybody. Now everybody start replying to all. And someone is replying immediately, someone reply after 2 hours. So again, the chances that email get missed out is more. Third approach, she will create a Excel sheet and put in the shared drive. And ask everybody, guys, this is the link, please go and put your details. In that, she has another approach. Either she can create the multiple sheets for everybody. Savita की एक sheet होगी, Tulsi की एक sheet होगी, Priti's has one sheet, Renuka has a one sheet, Santosh has a one sheet, Venkat has a one sheet. Now, if she goes sheet by sheet, it's too much. That is called create a new variable set, single row variable set. Means in this, a user can enter only one record in an item. Click on the single record, Santosh. Oh, yes, click on this, correct. Give the name. Give any name. Any name, give it any name. Put the internal name. It must auto-populate. Okay, put any internal name. Okay. Now go to the layout. That side, right side, we have say 2 by 2. Click on 2 by 2, right?
This one?
Yes, click. Now click on the context menu, right click on the context menu and save. Don't submit, save. Right click and save. Yes. Now go to variable and create two variables. One is a name, other is a date of birth. Go to question, put name. Name underscore karna because name might be this already, so it give error. Name underscore, put Santosh. Okay, good. Conditional this thing. This thing is your homework now. Question, annotation, type specification. You can play with this. Click on the submit. Create one more variable. Date, time. Type is date and time. Click on the type. Go to type first. Type, change the type. On the top, on the second field, yes. Search for the date. Yes, date and time. Now put DOB underscore Santosh. It will come out with submit. Let's not do much on this. Submit. Now go to the portal view. Go to the portal. Refresh. Go to the on the first tab where you have order guide. Order guide. First tab. First browser tab. Okay. Search for the new hire. No problem. Open it. Scroll down. Did you see name and date of birth is coming? Because we have a 2-column format, so it's coming like this. But now the question is, now the problem is that Atul, I want 100 people data. But इसमें तो एक on a one time only one record can be saved, not multiple. Go back in the browser, this one native view. Click on the update on the top. Now scroll down. Go to variable set. Click on the new. Yes. And now click on the multi-row variable set. Correct. Give a name. Internal name. And change the layout. Layout. 2 by 2. Anything you can pick up, that's fine. Layout, we can still change it. Click on the save. Don't submit. Click on the save. Now create 2 variables. One is date time. One is reference. Put any date like date of joining DOJ कर दो. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I just want to show you that how it's look like. Click on the submit. Create one more. And put a reference type to the user table. Search for the reference. Mention user underscore name underscore Santosh. Put any variable name. Now in the third tab, you can see it's a mandatory type specification. It's asking that which table you want to be referred. Search here for the user table. Sys underscore user. Scroll down. Which is no, which is the right table? See, there's a lot of tables from the users. So no, it's a role table. No. Search for the right table. Scroll down. Both side tables. Don't worry, scroll down. You have to be search it. Scroll down. More. This one. User table. Yes. And now if you want to put a condition that I want to see only active users or the users who as a manager, you can do. Will not put the condition. That is the same which we have. Click on the submit. Click on the update. Go back to the portal. Refresh this page. And did you see now you are getting add? Click on the add. Put date of joining. Anything, any date you can put it, no problem. Any date you can put it, don't worry. Put and in the username, search for your name. Correct. Add. One more add. Click add. Put any date. Put Tulsi's ID. Yes. Add. Now this is called multi-row variable set. In the short, we call this as a MRVS. MRVS can be used when you want to get more data from a single user on a single table. Like if I say, how many bank accounts you hold, Santosh? You can reply me in 5 different emails with the 5 different account. You can email me single mail, making a table and adding all the 5 accounts in a one go. This is what MRVS is a key here. MRVS is very famous, very reputed, and very widely used in the industry. If you want to just click on the cross next to the pencil icon, click on the cross. See, remove. It will be get removed. Click on the pencil icon. You can edit it. So today's homework is mainly for you guys to have a deep dive in the variable and the variable set, and also you can see or you can create the order guide. Clear, everybody? One more thing. Atul, this is the way that we are creating variable in variable set when we are in the item itself. Go back to the portal, this one, native view. Go to the click on the all. On the top, yes. Search for the variable. Yes. Now you can see under catalog variables, we have the all variables. Click on this. And here you can see all the variables which has been widely used in my instance. Checkbox, radio button, lookup record, date time, references, anything you want to see, you can see it here. Okay. Now go to the portal back again. These are 3 terms which is very famous in the portal. One is called the catalog item. Second is called the order guide. And third is called the record producer. Catalog item is something which create minimum 2 records in a one go. That is, we can see the example of the request and request item. Order guide is something which has a bundle, which also create minimum 2 records in a one go. Record producer is something which create only 1 record at a one point in the task based tables. Now we're able to request something. I am facing some issue in my internet. I want to log a incident. In the search, type create an incident. In the search, right? Create an incident. Leave. First one. If in the interview it has been asked that wait, what is record producer? So 99.99 public will say this example. Create an incident in the service portal is a record producer. Why? Because if you see the request table are not extended from the task. And it create 2 records in a one go. Now go back to the native view. and search for the record producer. Go to all, record producer. Yep. Third option, record producer, and search for an incident. Search. You are searching under the order field. Should be on the name. Yes. No, look, little bit mistake. Go to the name under this search one where these boxes are there, right? Search boxes. Scroll down a little bit. Take your mouse a little bit high up. Asterisk and now put incident. Star and put incident. Enter. Open the first one. This is a record producer. Open it.
It's taking time.
Sometime it take time. Okay. If I say record producer is also a catalog item only, but the fundamental is little different. Now, if you see in the order guide or in the request item, we did not put any table name. But here we're putting the table name that if a user is using this, this item and click on the submit, in which table the record should get created. You can put incident, change, problem, knowledge, sorry, not knowledge, any table which is extended from the task, you can select it here. Okay. Now what it will contain, short description, accessibility is fine. Scroll down, which is important here now. Scroll down. It has a lot of scripts. I tell you why. Complete scroll down, scroll down. See the variables. How many variables? 4. Go to the portal. Urgency. Now you know that urgency is an out of the box field. Because system also have an urgency in the incident we have urgency. Then Atul, why we are creating this field? Why we are creating this variable? Cannot we use a field? Go back. Click on the urgency. But it take time, sometimes it take time. Now, did you see the checkbox map to the field? Yes. It means the value you are going to put in this particular variable will go to incident के urgency field में. Here you have to be understand important point. And if you see in the type specification, third tab, which table it is referring? It's referring to the incident table, and in the incident table, which field is referring is the urgency field. It means if you change any value in the incident choice dot urgency field, it will reflect on the portal as well. Variable hai, that's fine. But I'm using the variable values from this thing. Now, sometime what happened? Let's say, and again, I'm saying when specifically talking from the India perspective. When we have a lot of guests at home, so what our moms do? They ask to their neighbor or to their friends, hey, can you give me that serving tray, 2 or 3 serving trays? What this mean? They are using the variable, but in the serving tray, they're using their own crockery to be served it. That is my own value on my table. Variables, I'm just showing to the audience only that see I have multiple serving tray, but in the fact is that all serving trays, serving trays are belong to others, but the crockery which you're able to see where in which I'm serving you the water or the food, this is mine only. Now go to the portal, select any urgency value, and in this description type one word, anything you can type, might be put some relevant IT word like Outlook, put Outlook and tab out. See, so even don't, now what you are able to see, this is called the contextual search. What it will do, see, the intention of an organization is that I should get minimum incident. And how they can get the minimum incident? When they have a good knowledge base in the practical thing. So what it's saying, might be you're writing Outlook is not working. As soon as you write and tab out, ServiceNow will show you some selected articles. Go to the this thing, native view. Go to the previous screen under the variables only. Scroll down. The third variable is contextual search. Scroll a little bit more. This one. This is out of the box given by ServiceNow. This is not built by me, not created by you. It is already exists and we are just using it. So we can use the contextual search as well. Now, if you go back to the portal and submit this one, you just click on the submit, that's fine. You will get a message now. Okay, no message. You can see incident record has been created, right? Correct. Copy it and go to the native view. Search in the global. Wait, Santosh, duplicate this tab. Don't search in this. Duplicate this tab. Because I want to be show you something on this particular thing. Now search. Now, how the description and the short description contain what I put in the portal? Because in the variable, we did not do any kind of a big mapping. We just say, yes, okay, this field is referring to this field only. And did you notice that category also get auto-populated, channel also get populated. Impact is fine. Urgency, what we put it, that's what is coming. Where this thing has been configured. Did you select the self-service? No. Did you select the category? No. Go to the this thing. What I can say. Native view of the record producer, which we're just discussing here. Scroll up. Scroll a little bit up. Hold it here. So this is the place. Little bit scroll down. Yes. This is the place where the code has been mentioned. That what field, if you click on this in this box, script box, a little bit, Santosh, scroll down. Little bit more. So you can see here, right? Row number 20, line number 26. Current dot contact type is a self-service. Means if any user is using the record producer, then please set the contact type is equal to self-service. Set the caller ID is equal to the caller जो वहां से कॉल कर रहा है, and description and the short description as well. This is all about the code. ये drag drop नहीं है यहाँ पर कुछ भी, ठीक है? So this concept is called the record producer. Now go back to the portal. This view which you're able to see like activity and attachment. Scroll a little bit up. I want to add caller, urgency and impact as well. How I can add? ये पोर्टल है, ध्यान रखना, फॉर्म नहीं है. So right click configure item, sorry, configure form will not work here. This is coming from a concept called the standard ticket configuration. Go back to the native view. In the all, search for the standard ticket configuration. Yes, open this. Correct. Open for incident number 3rd. Correct. So here we define that what field or what items, sorry, what fields your a user will able to see on the portal and how this is coming. ठीक है जी? Clear everybody on the record producer? इसको try करो, देखो, then you will get more idea on this particular part. Now, how many of you think that going in the maintain item, search for the maintain item, Santosh, in the all section? Yep, maintain items. If I give you a new interface for this one, how you feel? Go in the all, search for the catalog builder. Open it. Wait. So catalog builder is, I'll not say it's a new now, it's a old actually. It's more than 2, not even 2, 3 or 4 releases back. This has been released by service now. The way we are creating the items, we can create the item in the catalog builder as well. But the only problem is that in the catalog builder, that catalog builder always use a template. So now if you see under the maintain item, you can create any type of item. But in the catalog builder, you cannot create any type of item. You need to be use standard templates. Click on the create a new catalog item. What it is asking? Template. Why ServiceNow say it's a template? Because ServiceNow say let's standardize your items across the platform. Click on the continue. What type of template do you want to be used? Do you want to create a record producer? Do you want to create a standard item in the catalog? You want to create IT issues kind of a catalog item? What type of you want to be create? So we can click on the standard item in service catalog, last option. Click on this. Use this template. The only thing is that we cannot override every value in this template. Give a name. What we're doing, we're creating a new catalog item. So you can give, okay, LNG Batch 17, Santosh. Go to location next. Where you want to show, in which category you want to show, in which catalog you want to be show. So now you can see the lock button on the top. Just take a mouse there. Yes. It means that if you use this particular template, you can add your item only and only in the service catalog. Actually, तो गलत है. I want to put this item in the multiple catalogs. Then you have to get your own template. So let's say I want to be doing this, and now you can click on the categories. Click on the laptops. Oh, sorry, go back. It's in an open the new window. Go. Click on this one, edit selected item categories on the pencil icon. Now, if you use this by default, it will be available in these things. So you can click on the save selection and proceed further. No, you're removing it then. Just click on the save selection now. Continue to the questions. Questions referring to the variable and the variable set. Click on the drop down of the insert new question. Yes. Question set is your variable sets. Single column container is a single one. Two column container is a 2 by 2 options. I'm not saying it's a variable set. No, sorry, it's a MRVS. No. 2 by 2 column only I'm saying. So you can design little bit here. Click on the question set. First option. First, click. Type your this thing which we just created, which we call it as the MRVS is LNG, right? Search for LNG. Yes, click here and select it. This is the benefit of the variable set. Go to settings, continue to settings. Your portal settings. Now these all options are logged because in this template it is not permissible. Go to access. Yes, I'm giving you this as a homework. There's a concept that is called user criteria. What this mean? I don't want that HR document should be seen by a manager. I don't want the director level reports can be seen by a manager. So very available for and not available for means if you put any group in these sections, if you're putting anybody in available for, it means that user is able to use or see that particular catalog item. If you're putting anybody in the not available for, it means user will not able to see this catalog item. मतलब visibility को restrict करने के लिए we use this part. But again, as per the template, this is not editable. If you want to see, you can create a user criteria. I'm giving you the term called the user criteria. Go in the all and you can find out. Now go to the fulfillment. Next step. In this particular catalog builder, one thing is important. It only use the flow designer. Search for LNG. See, our LNG partial is coming, right? And now review and submit. Do you want to see that how it's look like? Click on the preview before save. Preview button before save. Yes. How it will look like on the portal. Like this. How it will look in the mobile app. Select the now mobile app. Now mobile app. Correct. And how it will be look like in the virtual agent or the chat box. Click on the third option. Correct. So we can see the preview via catalog builder. Click on the cross and close this preview. Correct. And now if you think everything is good, click on the submit. It will be submitted and you can access this particular uh, item in the portal now. The only thing which I don't like, because it is using the template. Otherwise, catalog builder is good to go option. Submit and save. Now, how to create a template? That is your homework. How to create user criteria? That is your homework. Clear everybody till this point? Doubt, question, clarification. Santosh, Preeti, Savita, Nikesh, Venkat,
When
Renuka.
do we create a template? Directly we this one, this catalog.
So again, go in the home screen of catalog builder. You will get option called the create new template. Not in the catalog builder only. Yes, let it be saved and then you can see. So with this, we have completed our request management topic. Okay, any doubt, anybody? Yeah. Thanks, Santosh. You can stop sharing the screen. Thank you so much for your cooperation again today. Okay, let me take attendance now. Stop the recording now.